Let's just switch tracks now to more news coming in. And the near-term economic outlook as far as South Asia is concerned remains very promising. And this is according to that recent report that's come out by the United Nations. The region is projected to grow at a robust pace of 5.7% this year, accelerating to 6.6%. That could really take place, the 6% in 2026, Radhika.
That's right, and the positive news really is that India is expected to lead this growth trajectory with its economy likely to expand by 6.6% in 2025, supported by strong private consumption and investment growth, Divya. Let's go straight across to Sakshi, who will bring us up to speed with this report. Sakshi, India to drive robust South Asia growth. Take us through this report of the UN. What factors are really contributing to this?
Well, absolutely interesting highlights there coming in from this report, like you both were mentioning. For our viewers to understand, the World Economic Situation and Prospects report, the latest report by the United Nations, indicates a robust outlook in the near term for South Asia. Now, they believe that India will drive this robust outlook for South Asia. They say that, look, India's economy will be supported by private consumption as well as investment growth. So that's as far as the forecast for India is concerned. However, in the report, we also have a global scenario. Now, the global scenario says that, look, we see, while we see India and Indonesia outperforming and, performing robustly as large developing economies, as far as the rest of the world is concerned, we see modest recovery for Japan, the European Union, Northern Ireland, and the UK. So that's as far as the rest of the regions are concerned. But interesting to note here, they see positive but slower growth as far as China and the US are concerned. So those really are the broad highlights. But as far as global growth overall is concerned, important to note here, they say that, look, the pace of global growth, they feel, will be below the pre-pandemic level and the pace that they saw before the pandemic. So that's really interesting to note here. They say that, look, the world economy is facing uncertain challenges, a lot of uncertainty, significant uncertainty really at large. And this really is impacting and hurting sustainable development goals as we speak.